Today's meditation is a meditation for contentment. Take a comfortable seat in a quiet place where you can be free from distractions. Sit up tall, keep your chin level, and release your shoulders. Soften your belly and soften your thighs. Let your hips rest heavily on your seat. Close your eyes or gaze softly at the ground ahead of you. With your mouth closed but your jaw relaxed, breathe in and out through your nose. Find a breath that is patient, gentle, and steady. Let each breath out be just as long as each breath in. As you focus on the breath, turn the corners of your mouth upwards into a slight smile and generate a deep sense of contentment for the breath. Breathe in and out with a loving awareness, grateful for each life-giving inhale and each precious exhale. Let this sense of gratitude permeate your whole body. You could perhaps visualize it as a warm feeling or a light. Still aware of the breath, but with a full body gratitude for breath. Grateful for breath as it moves in and out through your nose. Grateful for breath as you feel your chest expanding and your belly releasing. Grateful for breath as you sense the whole body riding the wave of each breath. Let this whole body gratitude help hold your focus, your attention on the breath, cherishing each patient breath in, present with each miraculous breath out. Watch the breath as if it's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. And if the mind becomes distracted, which it will, anytime you notice you've wandered off from your focus on breath, say silently to yourself, I am content with the breath, and return your focus to your breathing. Spend no time judging your distracted mind. Spend no time lingering or asking why or where you went. Just come straight back to this feeling of gratitude, back to an understanding that the only thing you need right now is to pay attention to the breath. I am content with the breath. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. All is perfect in this one moment as you return to breath awareness. I am content with the breath. Use this phrase as your mantra as many times as you need to. Anytime you need a reminder that all you need right here, right now, is to be present with your breath. Soak in a feeling of deep acceptance. The mind okay, just as it is. The body okay, just as it is. The breath okay, just as it is. I am content with the breath. Maintain the slight smile, the release of the shoulders. Soften further and surrender into this one moment. Everything as it should be, exactly where you need to be today, at this time, in this place, where you need to be along the path. I am content with the breath. Each time the mind gets pulled away, find again in the body a sense of peace. a sense of stillness, a sense that there's nowhere else the mind needs to be, except right here, right now, watching breath. Use your mantra, I am content with the breath. As you become more familiar with a deep sense of contentment, recognise that contentment as your true nature. Understand that this gratitude and this acceptance is who you truly are. I am content with the breath. Accept that you can connect to deep satisfaction, happiness, contentment, peace and bliss, all the time, in any place, no matter what. Accept that any time you need to, you can connect with your true nature just by connecting to your breath. This miraculous single breath in, this marvellous one breath out. Repeating your mantra whenever you need to, I am content with the breath.